Even though it feels like it just ended, hurricane season officially starts in just 100 days. 9 on your side's Claire Curry spoke with emergency officials on preparations. She's joining us now in the Jacksonville studio. And Claire, how can people at home prepare during this time?
Angie, officials say it's important to always stay vigilant year-round for any potential disaster, but especially right now with only a few months out from June 1st. Although the official outlook comes out in May,
all signs are pointing toward an active year. And regardless, we always say it takes one storm. We could have the most active year, but if we don't get hit in eastern North Carolina, we won't really think it was a bad hurricane season. So preparedness starts now.
During the off season, our local emergency officials are working hand in hand with the National Weather Service to prepare.
We talk with them on a very regular basis. We do include them on the development of our plans. We also use them in our exercises because they can help us to develop a lot of scenarios around how storms may come in. They can actually build fake storms for us.
And they encourage the community to get ahead of their plans too.
Know your zone. Each county has vulnerable areas that are defined, and you should know that. So if evacuations are issued, you know when to leave, but also gives you kind of an idea of how vulnerable you are. Where would you go if you were told to evacuate?
As well as having food and water for the entire family on hand at all times of the year.
We want people to be prepared all the time, so making sure that your disaster supply kits are kept up with, making sure that it is all hazard prepared. You do have plans for tornadoes, and some of these kits are also even if you have a fire in the home.
Both officials add it's important to check over your insurance policies far in advance from any storms as well.
Get with your agent, make sure you have enough coverage for your home, but also see if you need something like flood insurance. Most policies take 30 days to become effective. So you cannot wait until August with a storm on the horizon to update your policy. So now is the perfect time to revisit it and make sure you have enough insurance.
Officials remind people that there's also tons of resources online for ways to prepare for natural disasters, and we'll have a couple of those linked on our website at WNCT.com. In our Jacksonville studio, Claire Curry, 9 on your side.
All right, Claire, thank you.